Hello everyone, welcome back to Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're doing an unboxing of a Tissot that I received. Today is Christmas and I wanted to unbox it for you on Christmas. So let's show you what is inside. Tissot has its typical packaging, so definitely nothing out of the ordinary there. And here is the watch itself. So with Tissot, they always have these books. This is the history, this is the story of Tissot, and then this one would be a catalog of its lineup. So some cool watches in there for sure. But yeah, it's a really neat presentation. I always like how they did that. And then it comes on this pillow. As we can see, it's got some like a rally style leather. And right here, 3-day power reserve with 30 wines of the crown. So that's cool that they put that on there. I like that touch, because people always ask how many revolutions does it take to fully wind the movement. Well, pretty clear here. So that's definitely nice to see. Okay, so we're gonna get up and personal, and right away take a look at this dial. I mean, it's got some nice texture to it. It's not just a boring white dial. It's like a matte finish, but it's got a lot of texture to it. Very interesting. And as you can see, it's got rose gold indices, rose gold surrounding the date window, rose gold second hand with the T logo counterbalance. You've got skeletonized hands, but you also have the loom at the, in the middle of the hands. So they're partly skeletonized and loomed. And this bezel here is indeed fixed. It is not a diver, but it does have the diver look. And you also have the coin edging and the T logo again at the crown, which is indeed done in rose gold. And right away I could see some really nice brushing on the case side, and you could see it's got a very interesting shape. Like the crown guards are actually integrated into the case instead of it looking like a separate a separate function. It has actually streamlined, which is a very nice look. And then you've got polishing on the top. The lugs here, you've got a little bit of polishing right there at the corners, but brushing. Very nice details. This is all fine details that definitely take time, and time is money. And for a watch that costs as much as this one does, I mean, I would definitely consider this the entry-level Tissot. But man, for the money you're paying for this watch, which really, you can get this for under $300. You're getting a 72-hour power reserve. This is the V8 Swissmatic. And you don't even hear that crown, or the, like when you twist the crown, you don't hear that at all, which is really cool. Which brings me to the case back. You're getting an exhibition case back. And here's our sticker here. So let's just take that off. You're getting this exhibition case back. And you're also getting a decent looking movement, it looks like. Look at this. For under $300, guys. Just have to get that off somehow. But let's do this. Here we go. Look at that rotor. But I mean, look at the inside here. That's done in black. Very interesting. I've actually never seen that before. There's your spring. When you see the gap like that, it means there's definitely some room to wind it. So as I wind it, you can see the gears turning. Very, very cool. And you'll see that spring. You'll see the spring there start to tighten up. So as I said, it takes 30 of these rotations. Look at that. So you're seeing basically virtually no gaps. You can't overwind this watch. All right, that's the cool thing. I mean, about newer watches, they have a clutch mechanism that you can't overwind a watch, so you can't break it that way. But this has some really, really nice looking case back. And it's highlighting those wheels that are the gears. Look at that. As the rotor turns, the gears turn, because that would basically be the movement of the crown. So I like how they highlight the gears. I don't know, it's just an interesting look. Tissot just does a really good job with their watches. This one here is 10 bar, which is 100 meters, which equals to 330 feet of water resistance. This is a stainless steel sapphire crystal front and back. Tissot 1853, which is when they were founded. And there is a model number. This one comes on a leather strap. Okay, it's got Tissot. So it's like a, I don't want to say it's got a suede feel on the inside. Okay, there's your stainless steel buckle, and there's your Tissot logo there. Got some stitching here, but it's got that rally style. The perforation doesn't go all the way through, but it does feel nice. It's a nice feeling strap right out of the box, and we have some padding here. So I'm going to get into more detail on the review, but I just wanted to show you this Tissot Swissmatic V8. Very, very beautiful watch, given to me by my fiance on Christmas 2020. So thank you so much for this beautiful gift. And we'll get it more into details on the review. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless.